Everyone told us that if you visit Medellin, there is one-day trip you absolutely can't miss. But after spending one entire day there is one question left. Is it really the best day trip from Medellin? Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking one of the most famous tours in Medellin. We are going at Guatape. We just stopped to have a breakfast that was included in our tour, a traditional Colombian breakfast. And now we are on the way in one of the most famous landscapes in Colombia. We'll see you when we arrive there. Just arrived at El Peñol, and this you see behind me here is a gigantic rock, one of the most famous landmarks here in Guatape. In all of Latin America, it's 220 meters tall, are 726 steps that we should climb. So the ticket is 35k and you should pay cash. They don't accept cards in here, but there's an ATM near that you can take cash out if you don't have. Or you can pay with the QR code that they use in here. So now we are going at the ticket booth to buy the ticket. Is it here? Yeah. Buenas.
Buenos días.
Dos.
Por gusto, serían 70,000.
Sí.
Bienvenidos.
Gracias. 2 tickets ready for a new adventure. Let's go. Now is the fun part. We have to climb all the stairs. Buenas. 50. Oh, nice. They have numbers.
Oh.
You think you can make it?
Yeah, I think so.
We are almost in the middle and we are exhausted.
Yeah, the air's really thin. This reminds me of the like the Ozarks.
Oh, the movie, yeah?
The movie, the show, the Ozarks, has a similar kind of vibe. It's beautiful.
All that climbing was totally worth it for this view. It is a breathtaking view. You can see the lake, the mountains, the houses, everything is amazing, and there are a lot of lights here. This is how we feel after doing all those stairs. After coming down, our legs are shaking.
Yeah, I have an insane pump in my legs. It's incredible. How many veins are going through my calves right now?
The view was beautiful, totally worth it.
Yes, it's gorgeous. It reminds me of the Ozarks. If you've seen the show The Ozarks, and if you haven't seen the show The Ozarks, I don't know where the hell you've been. But it kind of reminds me of that in the beginning of the show. It's beautiful.
Yeah. You'll suffer 5 minutes, but you'll forget once that you are there on the top. We booked this tour with GetYourGuide. We'll leave the link in the description. You can use our code to Tickets1Adventure5 for 5% off for any tour worldwide. John is very tired. He has been tired since he
I didn't
got up.
sleep last night. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm a zombie.
He had the anxiety of not waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning for making this trip.
So I just don't sleep.
I didn't sleep at all. We have a lot ahead to do, but we are exhausted.
Yeah, long day.
Will be a very, very long day. Now we are going to visit Guatape, that is one of the most colorful and most beautiful towns in Colombia. We'll arrive there in 10 minutes, just 10 minutes away from the rock that you see behind me. Great view from here. The view of a reservoir from here is stunning. We'll do a boat tour later. So we had the drone with us to fly in here, but here is the sign, no drones allowed. Lately we haven't been using the drone because the majority of places here it's not allowed to use the drone. In San Andres was very, very windy, was impossible. So we have to show you only the point of view that we have. We can't show you a bird eye view, unfortunately. We just arrived in Guatape and our guide is taking us at a street that is not very busy, not a lot of tourists, so we are starting from here now. Exploring the streets of Guatape that are very, very colorful.
Beautiful, yeah. Well, it's not that crowded, which is a good thing.
We are here on a Thursday and the guy told us that was the best day to choose because weekend is full with people here. So today there aren't a lot, thank God. We can enjoy it, all the corners of the streets by ourselves.
What she said.
Un segundo y nada más. Hacia la felicidad, como una luz fugaz, un instante que...
Well, we found this nice little place here, this cafe in Guatape in like the Central Park area. And I'm having a michelada after the hard workout.
And I'm having an aromatica that apparently is just tea.
Makes it sound a little more fancy when you say aromatica. But yeah, it looks like a rosemary tea or something.
Yeah. One of the things that make Guatape so unique are its colorful zócalos, are decorative panels that are in the bottom of every house, like the one that you see behind me. And often they tell a story about the family that lives there or about the history, the culture of the city. So if you come in Guatape and you decide to buy a house, your house have to have a zócalo.
que se va. Trato siempre de pensar en el ahora, quiero estar. La vida es lo que se da. Es un instante que se va, que se va.
Now it's lunchtime. We just finished lunch. We had the traditional Colombian dish, bandeja paisa, which was the one with beef, and it was good. Did you like it?
It's alright.
John is ready to sleep a little bit, to take a nap. After eating lunch, now we're going to take the boat tour around the lake, and we'll see a lot of famous artist houses. And one of those is the house that Pablo Escobar used to have. So we're looking forward to see these houses. Maybe we get motivated to buy one here to make that money first.
I thought he was singing. A ripoff.
as this place looks today, it also has a fascinating history. Beneath this waters lies the original town of El Peñol, which was intentionally flooded in the 1970s to create this reservoir. A new town was built nearby, but the original remains underwater to this day.
Nunca vas a sentirte sola, nunca vas a sentirte mal, más brillante que una farola, alumbra tu luz espiritual. Todo va a estar bien, mamá. Anda sin soledad. Camina, camina, camina por donde va. Anda sin soledad. Es la verdad, todo va a estar bien, mamá. Anda sin soledad. Camina, camina, camina por donde va. Anda sin soledad. Anda. Anda sin soledad. Anda sin soledad. Anda sin soledad.
So after relaxing at the boat, now it's time to meet some animals. It's time to meet some alpacas, llamas, donkeys, horses, a lot of them. So we just arrived at the farm.
We haven't seen anything yet.
Yeah, we just arrived at the farm and we'll check it now.
Booze. They'll spit on you and shit on you. He knows exactly where to Oh, they spit on you.
I will give one.
Oh. You're pretty.
Oh, it's so cool. Bye bye. So this is llama? No, this is alpaca, this one is llama.
Yeah. Alpacas kind of have the little hair on the top.
Hello. Hola. I really don't understand English. Hola. Oh my god, what's wrong with this?
I don't know. You look like you're on your last leg,
Looks
brother.
like it's sick.
Yeah. Let's see what's up here.
Si alguien desea apoyarla, amiguita, va a entrar.
Oh, so beautiful.
I used to have one of these when I was a kid growing up. I think it was parakeets.
Yellow one was
I don't know if you can play with it. Oh, see,
know that,
they're very friendly. They'll talk. These can actually talk. This guy.
So, did Guatape live up to the hype? For us, absolutely. We have done several Get Your Guide tours during our travels. This one ranks at the very top of our list. Everything was incredibly well organized, from the transportation to the guide and all the places we visited through the day. One thing we really appreciated was that we weren't rushed. We had enough time to explore Guatape on our own and enjoy the town at our own pace, instead of feeling like we had to stay with the group the entire time. If you are visiting Medellin and you have time for a one-day trip, this would be your choice. For us, it was one of the most memorable experiences we have had in Colombia. This was our day in Guatape with Get Your Guide. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next adventure.